Manual, your instructions for working this trailer. And then here are your hydraulic levers that control it, your winch, your up and down, your sliding axle. This switch here powers up your computer to run your wireless remote control, which we will use when we operate it. This one here, this switch here, operates power to your winch to put it in a faster speed. So, yeah, there you go. So now, when you do operate this, when you want the sliding axis to operate, you want to have the brakes off on the trailer. Running lights on operates your power for your switches. And we're going to give you a demonstration now. Now the trailer is ready for loading. You load the trailer, and I must remind you, when you slide the axles and you put a load on, you should just dump the air from the trailer, dump all the air out of the suspension, load it, and then once you have it back in for proper position, you put the air back in the airbag so you can travel down the road. So now we're going to put it back, and then we also remind you that this is just a little power pack that we have running this right now. When you're hooked to a proper PTO of a truck, it'll go a lot quicker.